gentlemen, as we come to the closure of 2 days of networking and a lot of technology discussions, interactive sessions, exhibition, and having all of you with us at Distribution Utility Meet. So on behalf of ISGF, we would like to say a big thank you to each one of you, all our partners, all our exhibitors, all the utilities, all the speakers, all the dignitaries. Thank you very much for being with us for 2 days of Distribution Utility Meet. And we look forward to having you again and again with us in the future editions. Now, on behalf of India Smart Grid Forum, I would like to thank our esteemed dignitaries on the dais, Mr. Anshuman Srivastava, ED, Power Foundation of India. Thank you, sir. Mr. Gajanan Kale, CEO, Tata Power, Northern Odisha. Thank you, sir. And Shri Dilip Jagdale, Joint MD at MSEDCL, Konkan Region. Thank you, sir, for joining us. And we also have Mr. Rejikumar Pillai, President, India Smart Grid Forum, and Ms. Reena Suri, Executive Director, India Smart Grid Forum, with us on the stage. And we will start with the felicitation ceremony of all our partners very soon. So if I can have the slides, please. So now we will start with the felicitation ceremony. We would like to say a big thank you to all our supporting ministries, Ministry of Power, Ministry of Niti Aayog, Energy Department, Government of Maharashtra, Central Electricity Authority. We will get your plaque sent to your office. And we have All India Discom Association team here with us. We invite you to please come on the stage and receive the plaque. A big round of applause for All India Discom Association team. Yes, Ida.
Thank you very much for your support. Sir,
Moving ahead, we would like to thank our host utilities, MSEDCL. A big round of applause for MSEDCL. And we invite Mr. Bharat Pawar from MSEDCL to please come on the stage and collect the plaque on behalf of MSEDCL. We also request Mr. Dilip Jagdale to please collect the plaque on behalf of MSEDCL. Sorry? Yeah, I know. Moving ahead, now we request Mr. Gajanan Kale on the dais to receive plaque of Tata Power Company Limited. A big round of applause. Now we invite our knowledge partner, Power Foundation of India. We request ED sir to please receive the award on behalf of Power Foundation of India, Mr. Anshuman Srivastava. And we also request the team to please come on the stage, Himanshu ji, Anurag ji, and the entire team of Power Foundation of India. Please join us on the stage. Now we would like to thank all our co-host utilities for joining us at Distribution Utility Meet, and we invite team BSES Rajdhani Power Limited to please come on the stage. Mr. Jan Niranjan to please come on the stage and receive the plaque on behalf of BSES Rajdhani Power Limited. BSES Yamuna Power Limited and Noida Power Limited. Okay, we invite BSES Yamuna Power Limited to please come on the stage and collect the plaque. We have with us Mr. Abhishek Varisht. We need some clapping for all our partners from the audience. Okay. Now, moving ahead. So Noida has collected the plaque. Adan. Now we would like to invite our thematic session partners, Impressa.ai, to please come on the stage. Mr. Rohit and Impressa team, please come on the stage and collect the plaque. We invite Enspar team to please come on the stage and collect the plaque. We have with us Mr. Shravan Gupta from Enspar. Now we would like to thank all our technology innovation partners for joining us at Distribution Utility Meet. Starting with, we invite Trilliant Mr. Sandeep Sinha and Mr. Swapndeep Banerjee to please come on the stage and collect the plaque on behalf of Trilliant. Mr. Sandeep Sinha? Okay. So now we invite Radius Energies Private Limited, Mr. Shubham Bhatt, to please come on the stage and collect the plaque for Radius. We now invite Stelmec, our technology innovation partner, to please come on the stage and collect the plaque. Mr. Dheeraj. We now invite Eton Energy, Mr. Anish Thomas, to please come on the stage and collect the plaque on behalf of Eton. A big round of applause. Thank you, Team Eton, for joining us at Distribution Utility Meet. Now we invite DNV, Mr. Alok Mishra, to please come on the stage and collect the plaque on behalf of DNV. Thank you for joining us at Distribution Utility Meet. We would like to invite EDX team to please come on the stage. Ms. Anup Kaur and Ms. Anup Kaur, please come on the stage. And with that, I also invite Ms. Parul to please join her and receive the plaque on behalf of EDX. We now invite APAR to please come on the stage. Mr. Amit and Mr. Shaktiman, please join us on the stage to receive the plaque for APAR. They're coming. Now we invite Wirepass to please come on the stage. Mr. Teppo and Mr. Ashish, if you're here, please join us on the stage and receive the plaque for Wirepass. We now invite Allied Engineering Works Limited, AEW, to please come on the stage and receive the plaque. Mr. Sumit Sharma, if you're here, please join us on the stage. Moving ahead, we now invite Kimball to join us on the stage. Mr. Dipankar and Ms. Pragya, please join us. And the team. We would like to invite all our platinum exhibitors one by one now, starting with Bentech. We invite you to please join us on the stage, Mr. Manpreet and Mr. Kailash. And team, please join us to receive the plaque for Bentech. We now invite our platinum exhibitors, Appleton Engineers Limited, Mr. Lalit Rao, to please join us on the stage and receive the plaque on behalf of Appleton Engineers Limited. Thank you for joining us. We now invite Taurus Powertronics to please come on the stage. Team Taurus, please join us and receive the plaque. Moving ahead, we now invite all our gold exhibitors one by one, starting with Genus. Team Genus, please join us on the stage. Mr. Kuldeep Singh, DGM Genus, and the team. We need some clapping from the audience for all our gold exhibitors and the platinum exhibitors. We now invite Phoenix Contact India Private Limited, Mr. Amit Tyagi, to please come on the stage and receive the plaque on behalf of Phoenix Contact. Now we invite Tech Concord team to please come on the stage, Mr. Gaurav Kapoor and team, and receive the plaque for Tech Concord. Okay, so they had a flight, so they have already taken the plaque. We'll move to Probus. Mr. Aditya Mittal, please join us on the stage to receive the plaque. I invite the entire team of Probus to please come on the stage. Now we invite RMC Switchgears Limited, Mr. Sudhir and Mr. Amol, to please join us on the stage with your team and receive the plaque. Now we invite Tesla Transformers to please join us on the stage, Mr. Sachin Jain. And team, please join us on the stage and receive the plaque for Tesla Transformers. Now we invite SM Systems, Mr. Sanjay Mishra and team to please join us on the stage and receive the plaque for SM Systems. We now invite Success Engineers on the stage to receive the plaque, Mr. Sagar Tiwari and Mr. Sushil Nagar, and the team to please join us on the stage. We now invite NCC Limited, Mr. Anand, to please join us on the stage with your team to receive the plaque for NCC Limited. We now invite Madhav Engineers Private Limited, Mr. Anand, to please join us on the stage. I'm so sorry, Mr. Bhavesh Makwana, please join us on the stage from Madhav Engineers Private Limited. Now we invite Secure Meters on the stage to please come and receive the plaque. Alka Sharma, please join us on the stage with your team. We invite HPL Electric Power Limited to please join us on the stage and receive the plaque. नहीं नहीं HPL We would like to thank our gold exhibitors CRI Pumps and Unity Energy for joining us at Dam. We'll get the plaque sent to your office. Due to last minute, we will get it sent to your office. Do we have someone from Adani Energy? Okay. If we can have the plaque for Adani. No, they are coming, they are here. Sir, they have already taken. Thank you, Adani Electricity, for joining us as co-host utility. If we can have the plaque for Adani Electricity. A big round of applause for them. This year, we received 45 plus utilities participation in distribution utility meet. So we want to thank all the utilities who made an effort to come here and participate in distribution utility meet. Thank you to all our utilities. Yeah. And I request all the dignitaries to be seated, and we will call you one by one for vote of thanks. We want to thank all our speakers, delegate, guests, dignitaries for joining us at DAM 2025, and not to forget all our partners and all our exhibitors. We want to thank our managing team, Experiential Events. Thank you very much for your efficient support. We want to thank Hotel Sahara Star for hosting us. We want to thank MSEDCL and Tata Power teams for hosting the event and for your extensive support to us. And now we would like to, okay. Okay. Now we invite Mr. Dilip Jagdale, Joint Managing Director, MSEDCL, Konkan Region, to please come on the stage, come on the podium and extend a vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. Distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and honored participants. I am before you for most liked and awaited event, that is vote of thanks. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for taking the time to join us for last 2 days. All of us, our sincere thanks to the Ministry of Power, Government of India, Government of Maharashtra Energy Department for their constant guidance, support, and leadership. I would like to thank different organizations like ISGF, MSEDCL, AIDA, and Tata Power for organizing this meet, which is instrumental in shaping this sector. To our esteemed guest since yesterday, resource persons and different panelists, we appreciate your insights, expertise, and willingness to share your knowledge with us. All the members from the different organizing teams, I won't name all of those. I thank you for your tireless efforts, dedication, and teamwork for last 1 month. At the last, thank you once again all for your presence in this DUM. At the end, DUM, DUM means in Hindi or Marathi, it is power with excitement. This 2-day DUM will charge us for progress of this sector. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir, for joining us. Now we invite Mr. Anshuman Srivastava from Power Foundation of India to please join us and give a vote of thanks.
Good evening, distinguished guests, panelists, participants, and representatives from across the power sector. As we gather here at the valedictory session of the 9th Annual Distribution Utility Meet 2025, it is with immense pride and satisfaction that we look back on 2 truly remarkable days of learning, exchange, and collaboration. This conference and exhibition has brought together various experts of India's power sector, from policymakers and regulators to technologists, innovations and utilities, all united by one vision: to accelerate the transformation of India's distribution landscape for collaborative growth. Thank you all once again for your participation, your insights, and your commitment to India's power distribution transformations. Wishing you all the best in all your future endeavors. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your wishes. Now we will invite Mr. Gajanan Kale, CEO Tata Power Northern Odisha, to please extend a vote of thanks.
Good evening. On behalf of all Tata Power companies, I extend thanks to all the utilities. I firstly extend the thanks to organizer ISGF for successful organization of Distribution Utility Meet 2025. I also thanks the sponsor utility MSEDCL, the co-sponsor utility BSES, KPCL, BSS Rajdhani, BSS Yamuna for their valuable contributions. At the same time, I also thanks all the utilities who have participated for this DUM. I also thanks all the manufacturers who has displayed the different stalls and their products here at this DUM. So on behalf of the entire Tata Power Group, Tata Power companies, I thanks organizers as well as Ministry of Power, Ministry of Power Department, Energy Department, Maharashtra, and also thanks all the organizing team members for this successful organization of the Distribution Utility Meet 2025. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now we invite Mr. Reggie Pillai, President, India Smart Grid Forum, for vote of thanks and announcement of next year dates.
Thank you very much to all the ministries who supported and other government institutions who supported DUM 2025, to the 2 host utilities and knowledge partner PFI, and all speakers, delegates, sponsors, exhibitors, and other supporting organizations, media partners, our event management company, the Sahara Hotel team, and Team ISGF who worked tirelessly for months to put this program together. And biggest thanks to the audience who are still here at the end of the second day. Thank you very much. Normally we announce the date and the next host utility. We've been talking to two of them, but both of them didn't turn up, unfortunately. So without that, we are announcing the date, but we are not announcing the the location, which we will do it maybe in another 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month down the line. So the dates are going to be, there was a request from AIDA. AIDA do starting from January 2026, AIDA going to do a AIDA event, a 1 day or 2 day event and awards for the best discom in the country. So if we do it in November and January, it becomes too difficult for all the discoms to come. Gap is less. So they requested us to prepone it. So next year it is going to be 24 and 25 September 2026. So the location we will announce very soon. We look forward to seeing you all again. It will be a bigger city, not a smaller place. From any part of the world, people should be able to come and go. So we'll announce that in maybe next month. Our bulletin, the location should be there once we have alignment with the Energy Department of the state. So I don't want to keep you waiting anymore. Thank you very much. And we will invite my colleagues from ISGF for a group photo. A token of appreciation for Mr. Dilip Jagadale, sir.
We now request all the team members from MSCDCL team to please join us on the stage for a group photo. Thank you so much for hosting us, and we request you to please come on the stage for a group photo. And next we will invite Tata Power team, so all the volunteers, all the, everyone from ISGF, we request all of you that please be ready for the group photo after MSCDCL. Thank you, Team MSCDCL, for your support, your warm welcome in your city, and all your support in making this a successful event. I request everyone from MSCDCL team to please be on the stage for a group photo. Thank you, Team MSCDCL. Now I request Tata Power team to please join us on stage for a group photo. Thank you so much for hosting us, and thank you for all your support. Thank you. Now we request Tata Power team. No, no, no. I think that's MSCDCL. Yes, yes. Thank you, team MSCDCL. Now we can have a group photo of Tata Power team. Sir, please. After this, we invite Power Foundation of India team to please join us on stage for a group photo. Power Foundation of India team, please join us on stage for a group photo. Power Foundation. No, Power Foundation. Sir is here and everyone is joining. 2 minutes? Okay. So we invite Experiential Events, our event management partners, to please join us on stage for a group photo. Thank you for all your hard work and making this event a huge success. Thank you very much, Experiential Events team. Please join us on stage.
इसमें आप प्लीज कुछ बोल देना प्लीज मतलब फोटो खिंचवाने के लिए आ गए भैया। अरे नहीं, पीछे अच्छा